Hey guys, Jordan here with Coldlytics, and today I'm going to show you how to find the best machinery equipment companies using Coldlytics. So let's get started. So first, we're going to select our targeting. So small businesses. We are looking in Houston today. Houston, Texas. Houston is huge, so I'm just going to expand the radius to about 25. And we're going to hit next, lock that in. We are looking for machinery, equipment, and the reason we're picking Houston today, it's a huge energy sector hub, and they use a lot of machinery. So hit next to lock that in. We're looking for owners and founders and directors and executives. One owner, but in case they have a C-suite title, it'll cover for that case. So next to lock that in. We're going to go to our filters, and um, we are going to do a revenue filter, as this is more of a commodity industry. So set this at, if it's making more than $1 million, then include it. And we also want to see our date established. So we want them to at least be 10 years old, as I feel like commodity companies, they like a good indicator of quality is time in the industry. So I guess maturity is a better word for that. So next to lock in, we're going to go to our delivery section. These companies don't care as much about marketing as other companies, as they're not they're not targeted for the consumer market. But with that being said, we can still add all these marketing metrics just to get an insight. Maybe there's some useful information in there. We're going to ignore direct dial, as we're already getting direct email, and direct dial just, it will double the credits. But specifically for machinery, we want to look at revenue, hit count, and data established. These are kind of gonna be our golden filters here. They take our 100 good leads down to 20 great leads. Add the ad pixels as well. The SEO might be pretty useful as well, just to see where they search. But the already pre-selected metrics are also really useful here. So full name, job titles, just so you know who you're addressing when you make the sale, as well as LinkedIn profile as could also be really useful. So I'm just going to hit next to lock that in, finish that up, make sure to give it a title, set your context required. I always save it as a draft just in case I launch it and need to stop it to change something. I'm not starting from scratch. But with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and launch this. As you can see, we have our machinery equipment in Houston. It's allocating, which means it's with our team, and you should get your leads within about 24 hours. So yeah, that's how you find the best machinery equipment leads using Coldlytics. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.